Hey Pop Robots, Maschinen Krieger Competition update. Let's talk prizes and share some laughs. Hey guys, Linc here, and I want to give you an update on our Maschinen Krieger competition, on the prizes in particular. Now, my biggest fear in doing this competition was that after asking the sponsors to participate, we would have more prizes than entrants. But thank you to so many of you for joining. We have no worries of that at all. Now, just to recap the so-called rules for you, our Ma.K competition, you can enter any Maschinen Krieger Ma.K kit, any scale, any condition, any, that's right, just anything, so long as it's not finished yet. So it's a perfect opportunity to either start one from scratch or finish off that shelf queen that's been sitting there for a while. Please email your entry to me at lincoln@paintonplastic.com and include your ransom note in crayons, like some of these examples here. These really made my day. And yes, of course, it's more than fine to share to your socials and to tag me if you'd like a comment. Share the fun. Now prizes, we have 3 sponsors. First of all, no surprises, Ryan San Pedro with Hobbyco was the first in. Ryan has 0 sales resistance to having fun, supporting the Paint on Plastic community, and crayon hijinks. Instant in. And also I want to give a really big thanks to Anthony from ACS Branco. Anthony's also a Maschinen Krieger modeler himself and has been doing a hand-painted ammonite from Hasegawa. Now these 2 guys have offered us store credit for the gold and silver finalists, store credit of $150 and $100. Nice! Thank you so much guys for that. And our 3rd sponsor is me. I was so impressed with how many of you from the community have joined up, have signed up and taken part in this, that I want to give you, I'll choose 2 people and I'll give each of you 1 kit from my personal stash. I'll even sign it for you if you'd like me to ruin your kit and to stop you from flipping it on eBay. I'll do it in crayon, not for sale on eBay. All kidding guys, as you're kind of beginning to guess, this is all about fun for us in the community, so it's not serious at all. And like if you don't want the kits signed, if you just like them pristine, of course, it's your call. But that's basically it, nice and simple. It's just to get you involved, engaged, working on stuff and having fun. And you know, Yokoyama-san had mentioned this to me time and time again. You know, if he'd see me getting a bit frustrated or stressed with something, he'd say, "It's all right, Linc, just have fun with it." You know, he's really cool about that. What's really impressed me about this is that at least half of the entrants have mentioned that this is the first time they're trying a Maschinen Krieger kit. You know, well done. Pat yourself on the back. It's scary and difficult to do something new, but I hope we've made our community supportive enough that it lets you come in and try something new. And you know, join our socials, hang out with us on our platforms. Just look for Paint on Plastic on basically all of the platforms, Insta, Facebook, and we'll give you tips and advice on it. And plus, of course, if you're looking for deep step-by-step tutorials, they're also, of course, on my Patreon platform, which is the same. You just search for Paint on Plastic. I had to get that plug in. It just came out of me. I had no intention of mentioning it, but it came out. And remember, the whole point of this is just to have a bunch of fun, share the Ma.K joy, and it's a way for me to give back and help Yokoyama Sensei. His work has brought me a lot of joy and helped improve my modeling skills a bunch. I want to give back and help spread his fantastic work as well. Here's a handful more of the entries that made my day. I mean, seriously, giggles came out. There's still plenty of time to join. You can put, there's no deadline for the entry. It's just so that your entry and the work needs to be finished by the end of October. Here we go. Thanks a bunch, guys. Talk soon. Bye. Big thanks to Hobbyco and the visionary Ryan San Pedro for bringing the Japanese hobby to us locally. Pre-roll shout out for the exploding epic pop robot rocket punch team. We super appreciate you. Ivan, Grant, Con, Jack, RJ, Tweets, Matthias, Peter, Robert, Kelso, Kevin, Derek, Dom, Nick, Danny, John, Andy, Philippe, Jake, Pete, Ben, Commander Newbie, Hal, Kieran, Jody, and welcoming Chris Regis, Guy Finney, and Nelson to the team. Thank you so very much, guys. And of course, the Brobot Inner Circle, the awesome folks that make this happen. I couldn't do it without you. Always, thank you so very much. Please join us.